Hello guys, this is Narmo Unlimited here. Today we'll be reviewing a new money making app. This money making app is called Current Cash Rewards. You can easily make money by streaming your favorite music or listening to radio, and you can also take surveys and watch video to earn points which you can then convert into gift cards such as and cash out in PayPal. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So as you can see, my wallet account is loaded. Alright, as you can see at the top of the screen, I currently have 1,701.5 points. In time will build up until I reach a certain amount of points that I can then convert into Google Play gift card or convert into $20 PayPal cash. So as you can see, the different ways to earn on this is by watching videos, completing tasks, and also completing survey which is unavailable at the moment. And you can also earn by streaming your favorite music in and listening to your favorite radio stations which you can find in the library. With this, it's very easy to earn, and it's also could be classified as a passive app because all you have to do is go on the app, sign up. You even get lots of points while signing up, and then after signing up, you can just simply get a radio station and play it and leave it on your phone, and over time you will have points gathered up, and then you can further convert these points into a Google Play cash or PayPal cash. Once I reach 30,000 points, I will then cash out. At the beginning of the sign up, you can do various tasks which they give you to create your account, and at the moment I haven't done my phone number task, and this will also give me 200 points. I will soon complete that. But another way to earn points on this app is by just keeping it on your phone. Not by just keeping it on your phone and streaming music, but it has an lock screen. It has a lock screen part of it in which you can put this app on your lock screen, and then every day you will get a daily lock screen bonus of 100 points. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.